Assurance Wireless Error 50 indicates a problem with your phone connecting to the network, usually involving the SIM card or account authentication. It means your device can't establish a secure connection for calls or data. Common causes include a damaged or improperly inserted SIM, outdated PRL settings, account issues, even minor balance problems, software glitches from unofficial apps, or hardware incompatibility. Think of it as a mismatch between your SIM card's registration and Verizon's systems. First, restart your phone to reset connections and clear any temporary glitches. Next, check your SIM card. Reinsert it carefully or replace it if it's damaged. Make sure it's seated properly. Then, verify your account status using the Assurance Wireless app or website to check for any holds or issues. Update your PRL by dialing 22899 on Verizon-compatible devices to refresh network settings. If these steps don't resolve the error, contact Assurance Wireless support at 1-888-321-5880. They may provide a free SIM replacement or further assistance. These fixes are often effective, but persistent issues might require in-person assistance at an authorized store.